Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you with an update video for the 8-minute trader and my FTMO challenge, which I've got some fantastic news for you today. So make sure you stick around. Before I get started, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a random guy on YouTube, and this is just strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. So with that said, we're going to hop right into it. Happy Monday. This is our first trading day from last week, obviously, since the markets were closed over the weekend. And we started off with a bang. All right, so we are going to hop right into the charts, and I'm going to show you guys some of my own personal analysis that I do before the actual market opens, so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So this is just a chart that I use on TradingView. Yeah, I know it might look very busy for some of you guys. This is a 4-hour time frame, and I've got some support and resistance zones set up with these lime green lines here. And as you can see, I mean, this is just some training that I learned from a previous platform that I was using about support and resistance. And I went back very far in history just to be sure my lines were pretty accurate. But as you can see right here, we were approaching a support zone, so it was either going to reject and continue to be bullish, or it was going to break through this support and enter into a bearish zone. But as you could see here, it was in a bullish trajectory, and I'm going to change the time frame here so you can see. This was 6 o'clock this morning, and if I change this over to the 1 hour, you can see right here, 9 o'clock. We were still in this zone. So I actually didn't know if we were gonna go bullish or bearish until after the market opened. I'm going to change this over to 1 minute now so you guys can see kind of what happened at the market open if you weren't tracking, or if you're not part of the 8-minute trader, which if you're not part of the 8-minute trader, I don't know what to tell y'all, but you're missing out on some amazing calls and some amazing alerts. But as you can see right here, we were in the zone, in the box. I like to call it in the box. And we broke almost at 931, and we entered into a buy trade today. There was a little bit of range from that buy. I was able to get into a cost average. I'm going to show you my FTMO account next so you guys can see exactly what ended up happening. But as you can see, we broke to the bullish side of my zone, and it's literally been going up all day long, all morning long, I should say. So you literally could have entered into a buy with the cost average, closed one out, and just let that puppy continue to run. Maybe would have probably got out somewhere around this area, or maybe this area, depends. But I mean, as you could see, it's still on the rise. You might even be able to take one still. But remember, I am not a financial advisor. You make your own decisions on your own technical analysis. Or like I said, if you're a part of the 8-minute trader, we've been getting awesome alerts all day long for these pullbacks and stuff. But that's my own personal technical analysis. This is the FTMO screen share that I have, just so you guys can see. This past Friday, if you remember, we were just barely above the zero, and now you can see we are fully above $1,000. So you can imagine today's profit was $867 this morning on today's trades. So I love to see these numbers get larger for my permitted loss for today and my max permitted loss total. That is a sign of relief. And we're just going in the right direction for this whole challenge. Total trading days minimum, you have to trade for 10 days, and so far I have traded for 5, and I have until the 7th of October. So I still have a good bit of time, like 3 more trading weeks at least, or like two and some change. But let's see here. Been passing these two for a good while. Profit target is 10,000. As you can see, we are over 1% on that. So if I can continue to achieve around a 1% to 3% goal daily, I should have no issue executing this first portion of the FTMO challenge. So that is all I wanted to share as far as the FTMO challenge update goes. Continuing for a upward trajectory is the goal, of course, and then we'll do it again on the verification portion of the FTMO challenge. And then everything goes well, we'll be trading with live $100,000 balance for FTMO. So that'll be phenomenal. For as far as the 8 Minute Trader updates go, make sure if you are a part of 8 Minute Trader that you are on tomorrow's call. You're not going to want to miss that. They are doing some training immediately after the US 30 Open, and they're going to be talking about updates. And there is a huge update for the scalper. It's going to get rid of the choppy buy and sell alerts that have been coming in. Along with the trade manager is also officially updated, so it's not going to automatically stop you out on your trades once it gets into profit. So you'll be able to utilize that now. So that's going to be a really awesome key feature to have. Another thing that was mentioned this morning on today's call was that US 30 may not be the only instrument that we trade at 9:30 in the morning. Sometimes we might trade the NAS 100 on the US Open. They kind of correlate with each other. If you look at the charts back to back, you can see that the movement is pretty much identical. But Sal said this morning that sometimes the NAS has better opportunities when entering a trade, and we may be utilizing the NAS 100 as early as this week, sometime this week. So be prepared for that. If you're not a part of the 8 Minute Trader and you do have interest and want to be part of the 8 Minute Trader, get in our Zoom calls every morning. That's another thing I forgot to mention for the update that we're going to be getting tomorrow. We are going to be going to a private platform. We won't be utilizing Zoom anymore. So we are going to have our official private platform in the Longevity back office suite, along with some video trainings and a suite of other things. So I'm excited for that. But if you're not a part of our morning calls already and you want to get in on that, as well as receive the alerts via software directly to your computer, make sure that you click on the link in the description of this video to join the 8 Minute Trader. I've got step-by-step video instruction on how to do that as well down there in the description below. It's been a great start to the week. I'm really excited to see what the rest of the week has in store for us. It's been a very bullish day so far. I'm continuing to wish good luck on everybody who's out there trading, and just continue seeing everybody win. So with that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Kind of keeping this video short today. But yeah, you guys have a good rest of your trading day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.